Brings me to Bestcomm Group. Value innovation strategy, that's really what my core business is all about. And because I can take advantage of the infrastructures which are already there, I want to disrupt the big companies. One thing that is very strong with me now, after 28 years of experience in the IT industry, is I can outsmart 5 or 6 or 7 people who can be asked to come sit together and come up with an RFP proposal for a solution. They can sit there, if they do have an average of 3-4 years each, all right? You can imagine one knows only a little bit about this, and they try to bring all the information together, cut and paste, and eventually come up with a 20, 30, 40-page document, all right? If you read the proposal, you can see that this has been contributed by so many people. And it does not give what we call a comprehensive, cohesive solution that the customer can actually read and feel it is them, right? So my aim was, I know so much of this. I know my competition, the likes of Vodafone, Spark, they're definitely going to send some of the junior people to do the proposals, and I could outsmart them easy because I now have a long breadth of understanding of technologies and what it means to the clients. So my presentation is always won against those big companies. So people would ask me, so who is your competition? I say, the big companies. How can you compete with them? Well, it's through this.